Ever dreamed of bringing your ideas to life? Discover the step-by-step process to create an eye-catching flipbook that will wow your audience. Whether for storytelling, portfolios, or presentations, this guide will turn your visions into reality. No design experience needed. So, hello guys, and welcome back in another video where I will show you step-by-step how to make a flipbook in Canva. So the first step that you have to do is open your browser and dive into canva.com. So this is the homepage, as you can see. So if you are ready to unleash your creativity, in this guide you will learn how to create an engaging flipbook using Canva's intuitive tools and templates. Let's transform your ideas into a stunning digital experience. So watch this video until the end and follow the simple steps and you will be able to create in your own flipbook. So all you have to do is just create an account here by writing your email address and your password. So this is my account. You have just to click for home and you'll find this page. So don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and let's get started from the scratch and making together our own flipbook with our 8 ideas. So first of all, they have just to search for books like that, and you'll find these templates, as you can see. So you can just click over seal to select the niche that you want. For example, I will click over all filters and then select the category that you want. For example, here we have business, social media, education, video, marketing, print, products, cards, and invitations as well. Then we have here to choose the style, the theme, and we have here the language, the feature, weight, subject also, topic, and here we have the price, and the last one, which is the color. So I will click over white and I will click over the free one, for example, and I will click over apply, and you'll find these templates that you choose. So for example, here we have various templates. I will select, for example, this one, and I will click over customize this template, and you will find another page, which is this one, as you can see. So here we have it. Right now I will just click over firstly add page. I will add, for example, 4 page like that, and I will select the background here. For example, I'll select the white one. Because I select the white one here, I will also select here the white one, and here we have it, the same. And there we have it, as you can see. Right now I will just select, for example, the background. I will go to the uploads. Here we have my background that I uploaded from my computer like that, and here I will just do that like that, as you can see. I'll just modify the size, as you can see. And here we have it. Right now I will just click over here and I will copy this one, and then I'll paste it here. Also I will paste this one. I will copy this one, then I will paste it here. So I forget to copy this one, and there we have it, as you can see. Also we have this one. Then right now I will just add, so I will just add this page, and I will add here a title. For example, I click over add a heading, put it here. I will just choose the size. For example, here we have 64, and I will just write, for example, crime, for example, and here we have it. I will just add also a subheading. I'll choose the size also here, 42, like that, and I'll put it here. And that's for the writer. I will just add, for example, Alex. Here we have it right now, and then you have to add, for example, a text here. For example, I will just give you an example, so let's wait. So here we have it. This is the text that I choose. For example, I would firstly modify the size. I'll put it here 36, and I will just put it here, and then I will just click over here, and I will click over enter, and then I will put it here and the top, or like that, as you can see. Then I will modify all these things, like So this is it. Here we have the title, then we have here the text as you can see, and I'll modificate the here we have I modified the color, and I'll put this one more size, and then I will just do the same for this one. So I will select, for example, here 36 like that. I'll put it here, and then I will select the first one, for example, and I'll put the size of title like that. Here we have it as you can see. So I'll come back because I made mistakes. Put it here, and I will just modify the color like that. Then I will do the same with this one. Choose 36, and I'll modify the color of the letters or the paragraph I mean. So here we have it, and this is how it looks. This is my book right now. I will just click over share like that, and I will click over see all, and I will just scroll down, and let's choose the option of design, and I will click over simple booklet, and I will click over save like that. So as you can see, let's waiting for prepare our design, and you click right now for view in simple booklet flip. So we have prepare new Canva design, so let's wait for it. So right now I will just click over Canva to see my flipbook. So let's wait for a few minutes because we have here some page, 3 pages I guess, and if you have a various page you have to wait a few hours to prepare your design. So here we have it, and this is how it looks as you can see. Also, we have here other options if you want to edit. Here we have also design if you want to configure presentation. We have record, and we have reports here, and we have here the option of share, pin, email, or other things. Also here we have other options like print, catch, custom domain, then we have link out, integration, and other things as you can see. So for example, an edit we have here. So let's wait. Here we have if you want to put on images, videos, audio, text, stickers, forms, and other things. Then we have here this option. This is our text, as you can see. Also, if you want to record, you click over here or design. So this is other option that we have. And there you have it. You are successfully created a stunning. So sorry. And there you have it. You are successfully created a stunning flipbook in Canva that brings your ideas to life. Don't forget to share your masterpiece and let your creativity shine. If you enjoyed this tutorial, be sure to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more design tips and tricks. Happy flipping! So that's it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and if you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comment section below. I'll be happy to help you guys, and see you again in the next video.